So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this error in your Roblox, and error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name when using channel use for empty value, so guys watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video the solutions to solve this problem. So guys, the first solution is reinstall your Roblox. Yes guys, you have to reinstall your Roblox, and the second step is check your internet connection. Yes guys, second step is check your internet connection. Now going on third step, the third step is clear your browser cache. Clear your browser cache is the third step. And now going on the fourth step, update Roblox to latest version. If your Roblox game shows an update, so guys you have to update your Roblox to the latest version. And if these steps is working for you, comment me when your problem will be solved. And if these steps is not working for you, so it may be a server issue in the Roblox game, and it will automatically solved in some time. So you have to wait for some time. And do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.